I thought about this place was very nice, especially to see life and the underwater observatory. There's a highway right next to me. That's why I didn't like all that. So yeah, I thought it was great. And come here in the morning around 12:30. That's when they do their Hippo feeding. And the Hippo is almost 60 years old, but it's 59 currently. Lou, his original name was Lucifer, but they call him Lou. He's 59 years old, and it's the oldest hippo in captivity. I think it's the world record. It was hippo in captivity, but I'm not sure. But at least I heard oldest hippo in captivity. And like, interesting fact, they actually sleep like with their head underwater. They don't breathe at all. I think they like breathe at another thing. But yeah, they actually sleep with like their back up.
Nice.
Mom.
Yeah.
And like one time we had a substitute, and she was streaming a live stream of a bald eagle nest, and like the little one, like when the mom and dad were gone, she just saw him while we were not there while she was working. She just saw him, kept face planting and face planting and face planting. It was funny.